Hey, it's Matt from Custom Car Grills with a quick mesh install guide for the 2023 through 25 Honda Pilot. Here's the stock grill, and wow, does it have some massive openings, so big I can actually fit my hand through them. To remedy this, let's get to work on the back and remove some fasteners. Bumper removal will be needed to remove the grill and get to the point where I am now. In the description will be a link for the grill removal. Once you have the grill out, then the hard part is done. It's time for the mesh install, and speaking of which, here is the mesh piece that we have for sale on our website. It's pre-cut specifically for this year range Honda Pilot. We're making these from our aluminum small diamond mesh that's been powder coated gloss black. The mesh drops right on the back of the grill, like so. Please note that there is a cutout on the driver's side for this little area seen here. Also note that the mesh will be very form-fitting to the grill shape and size. Be sure to have this centered up well with very minimal overhang on the sides or on the bottom. And when you feel like you have it centered up on the back of the grill, grab the supplied cable ties and let's get this fastened on. From the back, feed the tail end of the tie through the mesh towards the front. Loop the tie around the bar and then back through the mesh. Fasten the tie together, having the head of the tie resting on the back of the mesh. I like doing a couple ties near the center first and then going for the upper and lower corners next. After doing the first couple ties, make sure that the mesh piece has not shifted. It's important to keep the mesh centered while doing the fastening. Here's a shot from the front so you can see the positioning of the ties. To conceal them best, position the ties so that they're wrapping around the thinnest part of the stock grill bars. Also, try to get the tie going through the least amount of mesh openings so that the loop is narrow. After about a dozen ties, the mesh is securely in place, and then cut the tail ends of the ties off. Reinstall the shroud that goes on the back, and then reinstall the grill back on the bumper. The installation's all done. Here's how this looks from the front, and this looks way more protected than before. This should stop most debris from coming in and dinging up your radiator now, and avoiding some potentially costly repairs. The mesh blends in real well, and here's an installed picture of what this looks like on the vehicle. Well, that's all I have for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions or comments, then feel free to drop them down below. And thanks for watching.